Hi, this is Rory. We're gonna do his puppy evaluation today. He's the smallest boy and he is spoken for. So he has a big old giant bulldog head and a really cool compact body. It reminds me of a litter I had off of a Kaiserson and Alibi, which is Rex's mom. Alibi to Fats was his name. And all the puppies look like this, so pretty cute. Just a really cool dog. We actually had a female that looked just like this too, like a super big bulldog. And the mom squished her, so his twin's no longer with us. But love this boy. Very cool face. Very cool bulldog type. And he is spoken for. So he's going to a really awesome family. Mwah! He might be a bulldog mascot of some kind. We'll see. But there's Rory. Just gonna make an overall very cool dog. Big O neck. Big O cool dome-shaped head. 2 weeks old, so, and his eyes were actually open first, so pretty cool. Nice, healthy boy. Everybody's healthy, juicy. I've been giving the mom fenbendazole like every day forever, so it works. If you guys want to reach out to me about that, I can talk to you about that more and make some videos about it. Deworming the mom for 40 days straight. But this is Rory and he is sold. He's so cute. Let's do this chill test on him. Oh, he let it all out, huh? So it's not like we carry our puppies around all the time because we want to make empowered, not enabled puppies. We don't want spoiled crybaby puppies to go home. We just want chill, confident puppies to go home. So, of course, anything with Kaiser in it is super chill. They're scarier. They look scarier than they are. They won't even barely get off the couch sometimes. Nice nurse. Down, down.